Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into OneSimCard, a service that offers a global SIM card for international travelers. Tired of exorbitant roaming charges and juggling multiple SIM cards? OneSimCard aims to simplify staying connected abroad with a single SIM card that works in over 200 countries. Their proposition is appealing: a single number, consistent communication, and potentially significant savings. Instead of being at the mercy of your home carrier's international rates or scrambling to find local SIM cards in every new country, OneSimCard provides a unified solution. They offer various data and voice plans, allowing you to customize your usage based on your individual travel needs. Whether you're a frequent globetrotter or planning a single trip abroad, OneSimCard might just be the answer to your international connectivity woes. Navigating their website, OneSimCard.com, reveals a wealth of information on their plans, pricing, and coverage. They also provide details on compatible devices, ensuring your phone will work seamlessly with their service. For those concerned about maintaining their existing number, OneSimCard offers call forwarding options, allowing you to receive calls made to your primary number. This feature is a game changer, ensuring you don't miss important calls while traveling. In addition to voice and data, OneSimCard also supports text messaging, keeping you connected with friends and family back home. With a focus on affordability and convenience, they aim to eliminate the stress and expense often associated with international communication. Before you embark on your next international adventure, exploring the options offered by OneSimCard at OneSimCard.com might be a worthwhile endeavor. Staying connected while abroad has never been easier, and OneSimCard appears to be a strong contender in the global SIM card market. Their commitment to customer service, transparent pricing, and extensive coverage makes them a compelling choice for anyone looking to stay connected without breaking the bank. So, whether you're a business traveler, a digital nomad, or simply a vacationer, consider checking out OneSimCard for a seamless and affordable international communication experience.